नमस्कार मित्रों, दिस इज मुदित मेहरोत्रा. यू आर वाचिंग टेक गुरु मुदित. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So this is a new product launch from Mivi, which is Mivi Duopods M40. So without any further ado, let's have a quick look at the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find Duopods M40 contained in a capsule charger. The user manual down there. In accessories, you will find a USB to micro USB cable and silicone ear tips ranging in 3 sizes. When you take Duopods out of their capsule, they automatically turn on. Charging of the Duopods. When the Duopods run out of battery, you just need to place them back in the charging capsule. Within an hour, they'll get fully charged. And this capsule can be used to charge up to 3 times. The 4 LED lights indicate the charging level of the capsule. Connecting your Duopods M40 with your device is very simple. Opening Bluetooth.
Hell yeah.
Selecting the Duopods M40. In matter of few seconds, it gets paired and the light on the pods indicate the pairing of the device. Both the pods are touch enabled, controlling various operations like receiving, rejecting calls, play, pause, music and other.
When you tap once on the Duopod, it pauses the playing music. When you double tap on the right monopod, it changes the current music and plays the next song in the queue. And while you double tap on the left monopod, it plays the previous music in the queue, which gains you a hassle-free experience.
We're back from the dead.
Thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel and join it.
Back from the dead.